Cryptocurrency Bitcoin BTC set to plunge 50%. Is the crash coming? That is the question. Analysis of the key factor signaling Bitcoin's potential decline. Let me explain, including market trends and economic condition. I'll explain it in 10 steps. Number 1, Bitcoin BTC set to drop 50%. So is the crash coming? Many experts believe Bitcoin could lose half its value soon. In this video, we'll look at the key reasons, like big investors selling, market trends, and global economic problems that could cause Bitcoin to crash. Bitcoin is struggling, and many signs suggest a big price drop is coming. Could regulations, interest rates, or panic selling cause Bitcoin to crash? Some of the top crypto experts are warning that Bitcoin might fall by 50%. Why do they think this will happen? Let's say if Bitcoin crashes, will you be prepared? We'll explain what causing this fear, right? From major investors pulling out, learn what you can do to protect your money before it's too late. Bitcoin's price is going up and down, and some experts say it could drop by half. The crypto market is unpredictable, and Bitcoin might be in danger. Bitcoin is in a dangerous position, and many investors are worried. Bitcoin has gone up fast, but could it crash just as quickly? We'll look at Bitcoin's past crashes. So what's the history tell us, and whether this could be another big drop in the making? So a big shakeup might be coming for Bitcoin. I'll explain what's happening, what's causing this fear, and how you can be ready for a big price drop. Some analysts think Bitcoin is in bubble, growing too fast and about to pop. We'll talk about why they believe this, what it means for Bitcoin's future, and whether this could be a big crash or just another dip. This is the end, and this is a disclaimer. This is for information and learning purpose only, not for investment advice. Like, share, and follow for more videos like this, updates. Thank you.